Unlock the power of Google Sites with this quick 2025 guide. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to copy headers in Google Sites so you can save time and keep your design consistent across multiple pages. Headers are one of the most important parts of your site. They carry your branding, navigation, and overall look. Instead of rebuilding them from scratch every time, here's how you can easily copy them. The first method is duplicating the page that already has your header. When you duplicate everything, including your header, gets cloned instantly. You can then edit the page content while keeping the same design at the top. The second method is creating a brand new page and manually copying the header elements. Just go back to your original page, highlight the text, images, or logo from the header, and paste them into the new one. This gives you flexibility if you want the header to look slightly different. And here's the most powerful option. You can copy an entire Google site. Simply use the Make a Copy feature, then delete the extra pages you don't need. This leaves you with a fresh site that already has your header ready to go. Perfect if you're starting a new project but want to keep the same design. By using these methods, you'll streamline your workflow and keep your Google Sites looking sharp, professional, and consistent. So go ahead, try these out, and take full control of your site's design. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a like and share it with someone who could use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.